Hello, everyone, and thanks for joining me. Now, I didn't even want to go to bed last night. When I heard about the 7 exoplanets that were discovered, I saw it on Google page, imagine. And yeah, it's out of the bag, I guess. So I'm really happy that NASA finally at least admits to these, but did they have a choice? I heard these were astronomers, right? These are not scientists that work for NASA that found these planets, I believe. So they say. Those astronomers, I watched a 5 minute ending of what they were talking about last night, and yeah, I believe it was either a French person or a Swedish person that had an accent. I couldn't hear what they were talking about. They were talking about ratios. They were talking about things that people don't want to know about. Well, it's not what I want to know about. Is there life? Is there water? And where are these planets? How far are they from here? And can we get to them? And will we? These are the things that people are once again going to wonder and wonder and wonder. This disturbs me, knowing about this news. It's like we're being teased. So now they're teasing us. We found possibly life. Always the possibly. Screw the possibly part. Yes or no? What did you find on these planets? That's what we want to know. We want to know the truth. So I can't help but saying that I did mention it was 4 light years away, the planets that I've been finding. And they said here, 4 light years away are the planets they found. That's where they are in the habitable zone. These planets are in the habitable zone also, and probably most definitely do contain water, both on and in the surface. And I heard that the Earth-like planet, was bigger than Earth. I also heard what interests me is in consideration, okay, to Earth, our Earth here, and our sun, and that exoplanet there with the star it's in, that orbit. Okay, I heard the star is a lot closer, so the planet is a lot closer to its star. So that perfect distance that they always talk about that the planet has to be is what's the distance of that perfect placement? Does it have to be down to a hair, or are we talking 500,000 kilometers difference that we could get life? Now you see, this is the closest star. Did you know that, guys? The exoplanet. That's where it is. It's orbiting the closest star, 4 light years away from Earth. There are planets out there. There are many planets out there. I've found many celestial unknown objects. I'm up to about 20 now. No exaggeration. The videos are there for everyone to see themselves, whether they be exoplanets, planets, asteroids, comets, or fakes that were built by aliens. I don't know. But they're out there and I'm finding them. And people just aren't believing them. But when it comes from NASA, oh Bob, and everyone's gonna believe this. Now, I hope NASA isn't going to leave us floating on this. I'm really upset with the commentary yesterday talking about these ratios and garbage that I absolutely didn't understand. Okay, maybe I'm not the smartest person, but if they're trying to reach people, if the media is there for the not so smart people, isn't it? It's for everyone in the world in general. Shouldn't we have a universal language that we can talk to people and not use these big ratio words that no one understands? Gosh, I know it's hard to explain science. But explain, if everyone knew how the stars work, first of all, it would mean a lot more hearing what NASA has to say, because their calculations and ratios would have some meaning. But we don't know what they're talking about half the time. And this is what disturbs me the most. 7 exoplanets discovered, guys. Are we going to hear from NASA about where these planets are? I want to know exactly where they are, okay? I zoomed up to Andromeda. I've seen it small in my telescope. I mean, come on. If they give us the location, we'll zoom in on all those planets and we'll see what's on the surface. This is what I want to see. I want to see if there's life down there. I want them to tell us. The world seems to be taking this really well, so yeah, they should come out and tell us the real truth. Because, I mean, saying that astronomers found it, who are these astronomers? How did they find it? What telescopes were they using? Apparently they were using high-end telescopes. This just better business for me. That's what I can say. Hey, Techno Thanks beat me to it. I thought I would have been the first one in the world this morning to do this commentary and talk about NASA and what they were saying, only hearing 5 minutes at the end. Techno Thanks, you beat me to it. I only watched a part of your amazing commentary and video on this event. And hey, brother, you got it down pat. Yeah. And I had to stop watching your video because I was going to just repeat the same things. But that's why. This is what's going on. Techno Thanks said it. I'm saying it. NASA's not saying it. This is the problem. People that are not working in space are knowing and using common sense better than NASA themselves. At one point, it's not going to work anymore, this lying or hiding from the people. And, you know, the past few years, there's been an explosion of planets discovered outside of our solar system. And astronomers, okay, they've confirmed 3,442 exoplanets in our galaxy. And they think there could be hundreds of billions more in total. So me who finds under 14 planets unknown, it's preposterous. Why? Because I'm not known. Because I have no proof, I have no backup, I have no skill or level of competency in space travel, etc. I'm just a plume Canadian wannabe YouTube star, right? In reality, maybe a lot of people do have bull crap channels, and I'm not saying my channel is better than anyone's else, but I'm telling you one thing, I am posting what I'm finding. And they're planets. These things that I'm getting up in the sky, what do you want them to be? They're planets. They're definitely planets. So yeah, NASA posted a 360-degree video. Wow. It was a picture. That's not real. What the heck? Computerized mountains, and it's always these illustrations they're showing us. Show us a bloody blurry picture and show people that this is what it looks like out in space. Stop making people believe that it's so beautiful and clear, like you're getting these images like you're there. They're not real images. Are we going to see images of this darn planet, of these planets? I hope so. I really hope so. And I hope it's not a speck. With a 360-degree video that NASA has posted on its website, I'm pretty sure that they're able to get us a great view of the surface of these planets then. If not, what's the use of the illustration? I'm not using illustrations. I'm using the real thing. So, guys, thanks for watching. This was my lunchtime commentary break that I had to mention these 7 exoplanets. Amazing discovery. And I'm off tomorrow, so I'll have some amazing videos up. Just wait. Got a lot backed up for us this weekend. Thanks for the support, guys. Welcome, everyone, and have yourselves a wonderful weekend.